With the right team and the right tools, designing and building a home can be a fun, creative, exciting process.
For me, it all started when I was a little boy. And I can remember being 5 or 6 years old and walking into an amazing space and saying, wow, I want to create something like this. And so for me, it's been ingrained from my childhood, the passion for what we do. Typically, the ideation process of building and designing a home starts a couple of years before you ever talk to a professional about it. And at that point, you start to gather, inspiration and photos and videos of places that you've been to that maybe are your favorite places that you react to. And then you work together with a designer or a contractor to put all those pieces together and really create that special piece. Vieira Fine Homes is a luxury design build firm based in Sonoma, California. And we specialize in building artistic homes for our clients. I think the major difference between traditional style construction and building a piece of art is really curating the right artists to put the piece together and the ability to execute the materials.
We approach every project organically in that it unfolds and evolves from ideation to fruition. A lot of our clients come to us with their ideas and their Pinterest boards that they've started over the years, bookmarks from Instagram or videos and photos from their travels. And we take those and we combine them with some images that we think are great and see what strikes emotion in them.
In 2016, my wife and I are on a construction project and we realized we had no singular place to organize all of the information that was going on and be able to get that information across to the team. And so we decided that we were going to embark on creating a new platform, which is now called Structure in the Builder Market, which is a place for contractors and homeowners to work together basically through a glass door. Structure helps with design by allowing us as designers to work with homeowners who've been collecting Pinterest pins, pics, and videos for up to 2 years, and to be able to place this directly into a platform visible by everybody and to articulate the way that a construction project will be built through these design pins. One of the things that makes Vieira Fine Homes special is that we work very closely and hand in hand with our homeowner throughout the design process, whether there's an architect or another interior designer involved or not. And we've really curated our team of professionals to bring the A game in every facet of the project.
We've partnered with some amazing artists that we've curated to help us bring in some of these old stones and old reclaimed bricks and wood to help really tell a story throughout the home. The goal at the end of the day is that our clients feel like they've designed their home themselves.
If you're interested in a one-of-a-kind artisan home, visit their website, vieirafinehomes.com, or watch this segment again at designingspaces.tv.